বেঙ্গল মেন্স বিজনেস আপনাদের শুরুতেই বলছিলাম যে এই বঙ্গে শিল্পবান্ধব পরিবেশ তৈরি হয়ে গিয়েছে, তার কারণ এই বঙ্গে আর ধর্মঘট হয় না, বেড়েছে কর্মসংস্কৃতি, ক্ষুদ্র মাঝারি শিল্পে প্রথম বাংলা, নারী ক্ষমতায়নেও শীর্ষে, একের পর এক খতিয়ান তুলে বঙ্গে বিনিয়োগের আহ্বান মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর।
Our skill, we are number one in our skill. We are number one in India, MSME sector. We are number one for women empowerment. And a stable government is here where there is no mandates lost. Earlier it was everyday strike, crowd, everything. But we stopped all this because of the interest of the industry and the common people. Now common people are the gainer. Without common people, nobody can survive. We have to encourage our young generation, student, our future generation, and to create the employment for them. We have to go ahead. And thus Bengal is one of the safest and smartest investment destinations. As Bengal offers investors a prime location, it is a gateway of Eastern, Southeastern and Northeastern and also Eastern India, Southeast Asia. This is the gateway and this is a strategic point, and it is the future for the future destination of industrial investment.
প্রথম দিনেই একগুচ্ছ বিনিয়োগের ঘোষণা, রাজ্যে বিনিয়োগ দ্বিগুণ করছে রিলায়েন্স, 1 লক্ষ কোটি বিনিয়োগের ঘোষণা মুকেশ আম্বানির, বাংলায় বিনিয়োগের আহ্বান রিল চেয়ারম্যানের।
Reliance's commitment to Bengal's all-around development remains unwavering. In 2016, when I first attended this summit, Reliance's investment stood below 2,000 crores. Today, in less than a decade, our investments in Bengal have increased 20 times and we are invested over 50,000 crores of rupees. Mamta Didi, we shall double this investment by the end of this decade. Our investments have created over 1 lakh direct jobs and spurred significant economic growth in West Bengal. My family has a deep and reverential attachment to the Punya Bhumi of Bengal. Our investment in Bengal is not only financial. More importantly, it's an emotional investment. As one of the leading private sector employers in Bengal, today I have both a recommendation and an appeal to make to potential investors, to those who are present here today and those who are not. Reliance has had a wonderful experience of doing business in this state. With Didi at the helm, the business community receives a red carpet treatment in Bengal. So friends, come to Bengal and script new and beautiful chapters in Bengal's growth story. And the Honorable Chief Minister, Mamta Didi, once more I assure you that Reliance will always be a reliable partner.
বিদ্যুৎ সেক্টরে 12,000 কোটির বিনিয়োগ জিন্দালদের, শালবনীতে 2টি মেগা পাওয়ার প্ল্যান্ট তৈরি করবে JSW, স্বাস্থ্য ও হোটেল সেক্টরে বিনিয়োগ ঘোষণা নেউটিয়া গ্রুপের।
We plan to invest into 2 into 800 megawatt power plant in Shalboni with an investment of 16,000 crore rupees. Our investment is not just about generating power, it is about empowering Bengal's future. And we are fully prepared to scale up further. Whenever the state requires additional power, we will be ready to invest another 16,000 crores to double the capacity to 3,200 megawatts. In addition to power, JSW is shortly launching our industrial park to facilitate lots of industries that can happen in the state of West Bengal, over 2,000 acres. We are also looking at the Durgapur airport to invest in that airport and to develop it further to make it a real hub aerotopolis for the second airport of West Bengal, which can become a very large airport. All these investments underscore JSW's deep commitment for West Bengal.
Acquired properties to set up 5 hospitals in West Bengal. The combined total of beds would be about 1,300 and the investment would be in the region of 1,500 crores. In hospitality, we presently have 6 hotels in West Bengal, planned a circuit of 7 luxury hotels. The properties under development are in Darjeeling, in Kalimpong, in the periphery of the Gorumara forest, in Digha, in Sundarban, in Shantiniketan, and we are redeveloping our riverside property at Raichak at an investment of about 1,200 crores. The other investments planned, golf-themed township, will be about 5,000 crores. In all, the Ambuja Neotia Group plans to invest little in excess of 15,000 crores in the next 5 years.
বাংলায় শিল্প বান্ধব পরিবেশ, মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর প্রশংসায় শিল্পপতি এবং নেতারাও।
My dear Mamta Didi, your name Mamta stands for empathy or compassion. But Didi, in your name stands for a tireless leader. You are empathy and energy personified. Just now Mamta Didi told me she walks 64,000 steps. And then Sajan and I are sitting with her. I said, oh, 64,000 a week. That's okay. She said, no, it's 64,000 steps every single day. And that is her energy that she has. One of your own poems has a beautiful Bengali phrase, Mayar Mukh Swargo Sukh. It translates to a mother's face is the bliss of heaven. It reflects the cultural sentiment in Bengal and beyond, where a mother's love is considered sacred and divine. Empathy for the common people is the guiding principle on all your policies and welfare schemes. This is most striking, seen in your initiatives for the education of the girl child, women's empowerment, and poverty alleviation. All of India needs this kind of inclusive and sustainable model of development so that no Indian is left behind and no region in India is left behind. Thank you for your leadership, Mamta Didi.
We live in a different Bengal today. We live in a Bengal that is transformed by the vision and action of our Honorable Chief Minister. Decision making is quick, it's transparent, it's clear, and it's fast. She gives access. Any issues get resolved in a jiffy. I frankly believe in putting my money where my mouth is. Let me just say that Bengal is in business. Bengal means business. Come, experience what Bengal has to offer. And I can promise you, you will not be disappointed.
Didi is always an impatient person. For those of you who know her personally, would know that she walks relentlessly, and with the speed of her walking, her mind ticks, and we all have a difficulty in keeping up with her. I certainly have difficulty in even keeping up with her walking.
जिस तरीके से हमारे बंगाल के मुख्यमंत्री ने प्रयास किया है, देश में भी दूसरे देशों के साथ बेहतर व्यापारिक रिश्ते, कई सारी टेक्नोलॉजी को लेकर, इंडस्ट्री को लेकर एक साथ चलने का एक कार्य योजना बनता है।